So here are some more questions about hyperconjugation. So the first question is, the four species are given and this is the stability order. We have to identify the stability order. So the first one is, here is the carbocation attached to the benzene ring and the substituents are there, CH3, CD3, and here is nothing, here is CD3. So these CH3 and CD3, this shows the plus H effect because hydrogen is in conjugation with the benzene ring and the positive charge. So these three are the alpha hydrogens, and here also these three D are the alpha deuteriums. So here the first and second, these both shows the H effect, that means the plus H effect. So here it is plus H, here also plus H, and here is the benzene ring symbol, and here is the CD3 at meta position. So H effect at meta position doesn't affect. So this at meta position shows the plus I effect. And you know the plus H effect is more effective than the plus I effect. That means these two are the more stable structures among the four, and among these two the plus H is shown by the hydrogen atom more than the D. So plus H is more shown by the CH bond than the CD bond. So this is the first one. A option is more stable, than B. Then come here plus I effect, electron releasing effect, make the carbocation more stable. So here it is D option and then the C option, right? So this is the stability order of the first question. Now the second question. Here is also the carbocation attached to the benzene ring, and here is the CH3 at ortho, meta, and para. So ortho and para showing the plus H effect because the hydrogens are in conjugation with the benzene ring and the positive charge. So plus H, here also plus H, and this shows the plus I at meta position. Hydrogen cannot show the hyperconjugation effect. This is the simple benzene ring. So plus H effect increases the carbocation stability order. So here at ortho position, at para position. So ortho position is more close to the carbocation. So ortho effect is more. So it is the more stable. Here is the A is more stable than the C. Then the plus I increases the electron density at the carbocation, make it more stable. So it is B, and after that the simple one D. Right? Now the third one. Here is the double bonds only. Right? And you may observe the double bond is in conjugation, and here is also the double bond is in conjugation. So the resonance is there. In these, resonance is there. Right? Here no resonance, here double single single double single double, no resonance. Now the H effect, in comparison of these two, when you are going to compare these two, here is 3 alpha, 2 alpha, and this also 2 alpha related to this related to this, 3, 5, 7. So 7 alpha in total. Here is double bond, this is conjugation, resonance, and here is this alpha, 2 alpha here, 2 alpha here. So in total 4 alpha. Right? Here is 7 alpha. So 7 alpha more stable. So A is more stable than B. So here A is more stable than B. Right? Resonance is stabilized. Now come to without resonance. Here is 3 alpha, here is 2 alpha, here is 2 alpha. So in total 7 alpha is there. Right? Here is 1 alpha here at this carbon, and at this carbon 2 alpha. Right? So in total here it is 3 alpha. So 7 alpha is more, so it is C and then D. So this is the stability order of the given species. Now come to the next question, the fourth question. Here it is the double bond and double bond, single bond, double bond. No resonance. But with this free radical, there is the resonance. Double bond, single bond, free radical, and with this also, right? So here is resonance at this side, resonance at this side also, right? And here is also the 2 alpha present, right? Now in this double, single, free radical, resonance, and this time here it is 3 alpha here, and these are also alpha hydrogens because the conjugation is up to this carbon, and next carbon has 2 alpha. So 2 alpha this, and 2 alpha free radical, next carbon, so it is 2 alpha here. In total 4 alpha, right? Now here double bond, single bond, free radical. Now this free radical has 2 alpha this side, right? And 1 alpha this at this carbon after the conjugation, right? So in total 3 alphas are there. Now 3 alpha hydrogens actually, right? So here double bond, and free radical. So no resonance. Only alpha hydrogen we have to calculate, and here is only 1 alpha hydrogen at this carbon, right? And now this double bond has the alpha hydrogens, and this double bond has 2 alpha here, this side, right? So now double resonance, this side more stable, so A is more stable. Now A is more stable, so write down here A is more stable than 3, 5, 7 alpha, B, then 2 and 1, 3, 2 and 1, 3. Here is the resonance between the free radical and the double bond. So this is more stable, C, and then it is D, right? Now come to the next. This species, the basic strength order. So in basic strength order, these are the nitrogen species, and nitrogen species are basic because of the donation of the lone pair of electron present on the nitrogen atom. So if the species attached to nitrogen increases the electron density of nitrogen, then electron pair can be easily donated and make the nitrogen atom more basic, right? So here this CH3 at ortho position. Ortho effect is there because lone pair of electron present on the nitrogen atom make the hydrogen bonding with the hydrogen present at the ortho position substituent. So ortho substituent hydrogens make hydrogen bonding with the nitrogen lone pair electrons. So nitrogen lone pair electrons are not easily available to the donation. That makes the nitrogen atom less basic, right? So it will be the least basic. So A will be the least basic, right? Here A becomes least basic. Now in this show the I effect, meta position it is at, not show the hydroconjugation, so it shows the I effect, and that is plus I, right? And plus I increases the electron density in the benzene ring. It increases the electron density, and it increases the electron density at nitrogen also, and make the lone pair of electron easily donated. So that becomes the basic, more basic, right? Now compare with this and this. So this is the CH3 and para position. Para position means plus H effect, right? And plus H effect increases the electron density at nitrogen, right? Make it more basic. That means now in comparison of plus I and plus H is more effective than plus I. So that means this species is more basic than this. Now here is the simple aniline. So these electron donating effects are there, increases the electron density in nitrogen, make it that more basic. So it is C is more basic, then B, then simple aniline D, and then becomes the A, because here is the ortho effect, right? Ortho effect, hydrogen bonding, right? Now come to the last question, sixth question. It is acidic strength. Now in this the carboxylic acid is there, and in the benzene ring substituents are attached, right? So in this you may easily observe in the first one case, means which species is more acidic, whose conjugate base is more stable, right? So here is the COO negative conjugate base will be there, so that negative make the hydrogen bonding with this hydrogen present at the ortho position substituent. So this means the ortho effect is there. So ortho effect, and ortho effect make the carboxylate ion more stable because of the hydrogen bonding, by making the hydrogen bonding with the ortho substituent. So that means this will be the more acidic. So A will be the more acidic. Here A is more acidic than in these three. This shows the meta position, CH3 at meta position, no H effect, only plus I effect. It shows the plus I effect, increases the electron density at carboxylate ion and make carboxylate ion less stable, because more negative charge will be in the carboxylate ion, it will become the less stable. So now here is the plus H effect. Alkyl group, benzene ring conjugation will be there with the CH3, H effect will be shown, and here is H effect, plus H effect is the electron releasing effect. It increases the electron density at carboxylate ion and make it less stable. That means that this decreases the acidic strength of the carboxylic acid. Right? Now here is a simple carboxylic acid. So these two substituents make the carboxylic acid less acidic, right? So here it is more effective than this, so it is less acidic than this, and here is the simple benzoic acid. So that means after this D, and then B, and then comes the C. C is the least acidic, right? So this is the acidic strength of the given species in question, right? So these are some questions. Now we will move to the next question.